Intel processors built the digital world. They powered the first personal computers. They powered the internet boom. They powered gaming, work, creativity, and innovation for decades. Each processor family marked a new chapter: faster, smaller, more efficient. From slow beginnings to high-speed giants, Intel CPUs defined generations of computing. Let's break them down. 1. Intel 4004. It began in 1971. The size of a fingernail, the power of a calculator, the first commercial microprocessor on Earth. The Intel 4004 didn't just start a product line, it started a revolution. The 4004 was a 4-bit processor. It could handle simple arithmetic. It powered early calculators and embedded devices. The 4004 opened the door for 8-bit and 16-bit chips. It proved that a CPU could be placed on a single piece of silicon, historic only, preserved in museums and engineering collections. Basic calculators, cash registers, simple control devices, small, slow. The world's first CPU on one chip. 2. Intel 8086, a new chapter. The processor that would define the PC era. The 8086 introduced the x86 architecture, a design that survives to this day. A 16-bit processor. It handled more memory, more instructions, more complex software. The 8086 led to the 286, then the 386, then the 486. Each generation faster, each generation smarter, obsolete as hardware, but its architecture forms the DNA of modern CPUs. Early IBM PCS, home computers of the 1980s, industrial machines, marked by the birth of x86, the foundation of PC compatibility. Third Pentium series. The 1990s belonged to Pentium, a processor family so iconic the world still remembers the name. Faster clocks, sharper graphics, better multitasking. Computers finally felt modern. Pentium CPUs introduced superscalar architecture, multiple instructions per cycle, smarter pipelines, better math performance. Pentium, Pentium 2, Pentium 3, Pentium 4. Each generation brought higher speeds. Pentium 4 pushed clock rates to their limit, beyond 3 GHz, still produced as budget CPUs, but no longer the flagship. Windows 95 PCs, early gaming, office computing. School computer labs, the classic Pentium Inside sticker. Models ending in 4D or classic Pentium branding. 4. Intel Core series, Core i3, i5, i7, i9. 2006 changed everything. Intel introduced the Core series, efficient, cooler, multi-core by design. The Core family dominated laptops and desktops for almost 2 decades. Core processors used multiple cores working together. i3 for basic tasks, i5 for balanced performance, i7 for power users, i9 for enthusiasts and creators. They introduced Turbo Boost, automatic speed boosts when needed, from 1st Gen Nehalem to 13th Gen Raptor Lake. Higher core counts, better efficiency, hybrid architectures with performance cores and efficiency cores. Core i3/i5/i7/i9 remain extremely common, though being replaced by Intel's new naming strategy: laptops, gaming, PCS, editing rigs, business desktops. Names like Core i7-9700K or Core i5-12400, multiple cores, turbo speeds, 5. Intel Atom. Atom wasn't built for power, it was built for portability, a processor made for netbooks, tablets, and low-power devices. Silent, efficient, designed for long battery life. Atom processors use extremely low power. They run cool. They focus on basic tasks, web browsing, simple apps, lightweight workloads. Used heavily in early tablets and mini laptops. Later versions powered IoT devices and embedded systems, never intended for heavy performance. Still used in small, low-power devices, mini PCS, entry-level laptops, industrial controllers. Small devices, long battery life, low performance compared to core processors. 6. Intel Xeon. Xeon was built for giants. Servers, data centers, professional workstations, where reliability matters more than speed and failure is not an option. Xeon began in the mid-1990s, a processor designed to run non-stop, 24 hours a day, every day. Xeon supports huge memory amounts, many cores, ECC memory for error correction, features normal consumer CPUs don't offer, from single-core designs to multi-core monsters, to modern chips packing dozens of cores for cloud infrastructure. Xeon evolved alongside the internet itself, still dominant in servers and enterprise environments, data centers, cloud platforms, AI servers, corporate workstations. Names like Xeon E5, Xeon W, or Xeon Platinum. High core counts, supports ECC memory, 7. Intel Celeron. Celeron represents simplicity. Cheap, basic, accessible, made for browsing, schoolwork, and everyday tasks. Introduced in 1998, Celeron powered millions of budget PCs, a simplified version of mainstream processors. Lower clock speeds, less cache, fewer cores, but efficient enough for light workloads. From early Pentium-based Celerons to Core-based models, to modern low-watt chips used in Chromebooks and mini laptops, still common in entry-level machines, school computers, cheap laptops, browser-only devices, budget price, basic performance, often found in thin laptops under $300. 8. Intel Pentium. Modern generation. The Pentium name returned, not as the icon it once was, but as a budget-friendly mid-tier CPU. Modern Pentium chips offer more power than Celeron, more efficiency than Atom, and enough speed for everyday users. Dual-core or quad-core designs. Decent clocks, built for routine tasks, browsing, documents, streaming. From the legendary Pentium of the 90s to today's simplified, affordable version. A name reimagined for a new role, still active in low-cost desktops and laptops, casual computing, office work, media streaming, Pentium Gold and Pentium Silver branding. 9. Intel Evo platform. Not a processor, but a standard. A promise that a laptop meets strict performance rules. Intel Evo launched to guide consumers, to say, this laptop is fast, efficient, responsive, and reliable. Laptops must meet Intel's criteria: instant wake, long battery life, fast charging, strong performance on Intel chips, reliable connectivity. Began with 11th gen processors, grew with 12th and 13th gen, now represents the premium Ultrabook experience. A major label on modern high-end laptops: HP Spectre, Dell XPS, Lenovo Yoga. Premium Ultrabooks worldwide. The Intel Evo badge on the laptop's palm rest. 10. Intel Core Ultra. New era. The future has a name: Intel Core Ultra. A shift in branding, a shift in architecture, a shift toward AI-powered computing. Core Ultra introduced a new hybrid design with performance cores, efficiency cores, and a dedicated neural processing unit for AI tasks. Multiple engines inside one chip: CPU for general work, GPU for visuals, NPU for AI acceleration. Designed to run fast while saving power. Intel retired the old i3, i5, i7, i9 naming for laptops. Core Ultra became the new flagship identity, quickly replacing older mobile processors, used in new productivity laptops and AI-ready systems, AI-enhanced apps, modern Windows laptops, ultra-portable notebooks. Names like Core Ultra 7155H. Marked emphasis on AI features. Intel processors evolved like technology itself, from the tiny 4004 to the mighty Xeon, to the AI-ready core, Ultra powering the future. Each generation shaped the computers we use, at home, at work, and around the world. Computing is a timeline of breakthroughs. Each Intel processor reflects a moment when technology took a leap forward. Smaller chips, more power, more intelligence, and now, a future where processors learn, adapt, and accelerate AI in real time. The story of Intel isn't finished. It's entering a new chapter, one where speed meets intelligence. If you found this helpful, support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. It helps us bring you more clear, smart tech guides.